Chris, first of all, Chris must qualify for the Cup of Nations or Ivory Coast. Secondly, he must go and fight for the title. The third thing is that we want the Black Stars to be among the top 10 teams in Africa. I know that is not easy. You can play 20 matches and still not get to that level. It depends on opponent. So clearly what it means is that, and then Chris also has some sense of supervision for the other national teams. And then we know Tamale or FA Cup, Echinano or Olympics, Echinano or Kotoko King Pfizer. I mean, once he is going around, player or recommending he must do that through the technical directorate, and then the coaches will get the information. Yes, these are the main targets. And when you look at the top 10 ranked teams in Africa, Ghana and Cameroon, is because over a period of time, your results have not been favorable. If you cannot beat Comoros or AFCON, if Unegabonshia now about draw, of course Morocco is highly ranked. They won a World Cup recently, but we lost to Morocco. In recent times, we have struggled against teams like Comoros, Sao Tome and Principe, South Africa, Baha, Norma time, and so yes, we think that we need good opposition, and then we also need to improve our results. Angola, I know that it will have an effect in future. Yes, I have 2 matches in the qualifiers against Madagascar, Central African Republic. We must win those matches to gather more points, even though the 2 countries are ranked below us. Aside that, you also need to play high-profile friendly matches. Unfortunately, in the past, we were getting European friendly matches. And UEFA introduced Nations League. All the European countries are virtually unavailable.
They are occupied by the time.
So UEFA wants to keep the money in Europe and give the money to the countries.
Europeans.
Yes, in the African team. The only time I open your opportunity to go European friendly is when you have qualified for the World Cup.
Yeah.
Then, depending on the draw, so African opposition on the group now or gather experience. Now the Kobo. That's the only window I will be to European team about a year. Yes, in the last couple of weeks, we've been looking at the possibility of playing some high-profile friendly matches in the international window.
Okay.
Aside 2 games now, or in the qualifiers.
Sure.
Some countries have shown interest as we speak. Discussions are ongoing. Me sure say you bring 2 or 3 high-profile friendly matches before the end of the year.